That's fine. That's fine.
No, I can delete it.
Oh, but I just started recording. So, guys, sorry. Someone keeps interrupting the video. Yo, bro. When we added each other on Messenger, when we added each other on Messenger, when we did, we typed to each other. I typed, hi, and then I said, do you play Roblox? And then you said yes. And then and then I said, what is your username? And then you said your username to make, so I can make sure it's you. And it was you.
Yeah.
Try back you. Sky 5. Every other thing.
You monkey.
Bro. Good boy, Rocky. Oh. Room 8.
Okay.
Oh, okay, we have the last space and stuff there.
I want to see how much
But you don't have enough. That's what it is.
No, I just need like 100.
As if 12 we could lobby and then we could buy swords.
No, we get how about that shift to 5?
No, because you won't have 100 tokens more.
We have much you need, I think.
I think like 400, so that means 2 rounds.
400.
Two
more rounds.
Like this one only, and then one more.
Oh, come on, I'm bored.
Bro. We will do a Bed Wars video after.
Oh, fine. The free. I did it.
Bruh. Made us lose their lives.
And it was Matthew, bruh.
Yup, he's definitely not giving us keys.
Why is it always my room?
Because you're a Big Mac.
Big Mac. I swear, if it's room 8, I'm gonna crash out.
Or if it's room 6.
Bro, someone is already in room 6.
But the room 8. I guess someone is gonna go to room 4. I guess. Oh, room 2. To be honest, I want to play Bed Wars now.
Bro, yeah, for real. Wait, can I just, can we do, a part 2? Oh yeah, we could do a part 2.
Wait, let's kill the innocent people to lobby. gonna like. Baby, I'm gonna treat this tsunami so we die, okay?
Alright. I'm gonna treat this anomaly too. What's up? I'm gonna shoot this anomaly.
No, don't. Don't, we're gonna die. We need to die.
What's up? Boy,
Bro, what?
who stopped it?
I was using nothing to stop, to not take sanity away.
We need something to take sanity away. Oh, I know how to take sanity away. We need to wait for like
The patient is allergic to mango and needs a blood transfusion immediately.
bruh.
May I ask where the family is?
The patient is in room 6 as an anomaly.
I'm sorry. Your blood
Feed them
not contaminated.
so they could kill us.
Yeah. Alright, so red, green,
The blood bypass. We can proceed with the
yellow, red,
What?
red,
The patient is
red,
oh my god.
pink, blue.
I kill a lot of people.
Bro!
Yeah?
I want it back.
Alright, follow me.
Green.
I want it back.
Yellow, pink.
Like, can you go down, please?
Okay.
And take out the
Fine.
charger. No, we're gonna play a different game that you don't like, though.
Yes, I want it.
Oh, go down. Just go down.
I don't understand. I know everything now. You swapped my daughter. Swap? What are you talking about? I don't understand. I'm your daughter, aren't I? Look. That's impossible. What is going on? My head hurts so much. Sorry, my child. I've been a terrible mother and let you suffer. Mom? Yes. That's impossible. You're all such cruel people. Mom, my Lily. Sorry, my child. I've let you suffer all this time. Don't cry, Mom. I'm okay. From now on, I'll make it up to you.
Don't hit it.
Oh, but where is Lily? Lily's That's also why I'm here. What do you mean? Actually, Chloe is Lily. Lily's identity was swapped I know you all will love and care for Lily. And I also know about Serena. Yes. You falsely accused Lily. I didn't.
You did.
You're lying.
I have evidence.
Really no. Chloe told me to do it.
Why would you do that?
I'm sorry. All right.
What?
That's right.
I need to steal 100 more. Alright, send me the videos and I'll edit it.
Okay, from now on we'll be good friends.
Wait. Okay. I was recording this, so.
Wait, I'm gonna make a cartoon coming soon, bro.
With who? Why does that matter?
With him.
Just asking.
Wait, I need to die.
You sound different. I'm tired. Can we talk tomorrow?
I stopped
Where are you, babe? Can we meet? Why is everyone acting so weird? I'm overthinking. They'd never betray me. Haley, you're here early. Sure, you look terrified. What happened? You're scaring me now. What? Why? Did I do something?
Boy sent me.
Really?
I thought we used to just believe anyone. No one here
Then the baby isn't mine.
No, it isn't.
I killed that. Now one more patient to kill.
How long was this happening?
And never mind the bed monster.
Well, ignore
I work for you. You actually believe him?
I don't know.
Why come here?
Honestly, you'll find someone better. I'm sorry. I chose Dylan.
At least admit that. Just leave, Haley.
I hope you can make it someday. Goodbye, Ethan.
Okay, baby, let me stop